Hi everyone! Yan. Pupunta kami.
Hello.
Say hi!
Hi.
Where are we going?
Kapsaba.
What are we going to do there?
Ballet contest hotel.
Okay. Are we staying in the hotel tonight?
Yes.
Just for tonight?
Yes.
Then tomorrow, what are we going to do?
Staying for one day, and after that, after in the afternoon, we're going home.
Alright. Hi Ate Mila, Olivia.
Bye, Daddy.
We're here now,
Okay.
outside our hotel.
Yes.
Yeah, it's 6:25 ng gabi. Kasi last minute yung pag-book namin ng hotel. So, yung budget hotel lang yung available dito sa lugar. So, mag-stay kami dito for a night. Kasi bukas na yung competition ng mga bata. Love, I'll just go inside the hotel, okay?
Okay. I want to come with you.
No, just stay here with mommy.
Please.
Just stay with mommy, love.
Two
Kumakati ko niya may ako, nupod ko na. Alright, let's go, dali kam.
people.
Alright, let's go. Who's coming with me? Olivia? You ask Will about mommy. Mommy will be there by herself.
Mommy too.
Are you coming with me as well?
Yeah.
Oh, love, it's cold. Go inside.
Look,
Olivia, where are you na, love? Hi, love. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, this is our
Let's
hotel,
go.
It's a budget hotel.
Go.
It's a budget hotel.
What's a
Hello.
veggie hotel?
Means it's cheap, not expensive, love. Still $200.
What? What's the expensive one?
Wow, that's so nice.
Look at me.
Close it the other way. Shut it.
Mommy, are you coming out?
You go first. Ali will take a video. Yan, nandito na kami sa hotel. Dahil na budget hotel, wala silang lift dito. So, ilang stairs na. Ang dami-daming bitbit.
Hello? 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 I didn't even sneak my head in. Hello? We're in a hotel, and it's just a little hotel.
Alright. Get inside.
Bunker bed? Yeah! Can I be in the top, please? No. Olivia, let's both go.
And first time sila makakatulog ng ganyan. Yan guys, mga taga-bundok. First time makakatulog ng ganyang bed.
I like it from up here. It's so choppy. I can even touch the wall.
Oh my goodness me.
I don't want to go up.
Where do you want to sleep, love? I don't know if you can sleep by yourself in there, love.
I can be asleep. I don't even know how to climb up there.
You don't, oh my
I don't
goodness.
even know how. It's too hard.
Is it too high? My goodness me. Daddy and mommy will be sleeping in this side. It's not working, mommy. Oh, there, may naman. Why they said they don't, there's no aircon. Nung binook namin yung hotel na to, yung room. Sabi nila wala daw available na aircon sa room namin kasi nga budget lang yung nabook namin. But look, there's a air condition.
Look!
Oh, that's nice. There's an air conditioning club. Kapaso, no? Kapaso ba?
And I can even touch the ceiling tops. Now I can even touch the ceiling.
Oh my goodness me.
And I can even see you from down there. Stop bouncing.
Wala stop bouncing so Ate Mila can
Because
go up.
I nearly fell off the first time I went here.
Oh my goodness me. Louie man ang lablab.
I'm going out. I'm going to sleep at the bottom. Yay!
Bulot.
Yay, I'm going to sleep up here. I'm
Daddy,
having a
Daddy,
bottom
Daddy.
bed.
Punta tayo ng lablab. You don't know how to go down? Are you afraid to go down? Come to Daddy.
Oh, Daddy, can you carry me?
Oh, that's what I'm doing.
Hello, give me my. Can you please give me my?
Lablab namon.
Hello. Look at me. Look at me. I'm in the bunk bed.
Oh my goodness me.
I want to